just received our aluminium extrusion and they came with the wrong slots. Today we machine aluminium. We need to machine 50 extrusion, and every extrusion has 8 slots, 7 mm by 13, and it's 15 mm of aluminium to cut. To maximize the speed, we drill with a 6 mm drill 3 holes, and we clean up the slot with a 6 mm 3-flute bit. In machining, time is money, so let's try to push our Executive Series Model 8 to perform the 8 slots in less than 5 minutes. The idea in here is to use engineered floating dust tube to contain the chips and to drill and to machine totally dry. At the end, this is exactly what 4.0 robotics is about. We are producing amazing machines for the small and mid enterprises, and we deliver a product which is mobile, compact, 10 ampere, means that you can plug to any outlet, and is your companion every time you have a special need. Today we were able to machine our aluminium extrusion for those units. Those units are going to Australia, and without our Model 8, probably this order would be delayed at least a month. Without the possibility to do it in-house, maybe we would have to wait 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and we all know what it means today to rely on your supply chain again if a problem comes to your company.